Alektorophobia, from the Greek electo, meaning rooster. Specific phobia, where a person experiences intense fear or anxiety when seeing or even thinking about chickens.
You're a horrible person.
Yo, you are.
I've told you numerous times that I do not like fried chicken.
But I do.
Ah! I don't care. You said I stole it from your fridge.
You did.
I was never liking fried chicken.
I've seen you.
You brat!
Did you steal my fried chicken?
No,
Stop the cap.
I didn't steal your fried chicken.
Stop the cap.
Ah!
Not nice, Dad. Not nice. What is that? Who are you?
Hey, everybody. Welcome to my game show.
Which famous southern dish, often served with sides like mashed potatoes and coleslaw, involves coating poultry in seasoned flour and deep frying it?
Fried chicken.
Yeah. Oh, no!